99.88 in this euro yen is the next stop, i.e. the next target. I mean the 103.80, the 103 or the 105.41, sorry, is that was the point from where we had the a decent decline with the 107. You see where we came through the 107, went back to touch it exactly to the point, and then fallen out again. So this euro yen, this 99.88 is the target. I mean, that means, strictly speaking, that is that 99.88 is our technically our structural short. I mean, there's a bit like the CAD yen. It's a way away. The 103.88 would have been a structural short before. Now we're below that, so we need to be looking at the short side. In terms of the long, 105.41. The 105.41 is our long point. It's this low here. These two structural points aren't, they're not as good as some of the others we've had in other instruments, but that's how it is. That's the levels. Obviously, we're still looking to the short side on this euro yen. So below 103.88, we've got to be short. Well, as in the 103.88, yes, it's not a strong structural short, but you're quite right. That is going to be exactly the point where we're going to go long from the 200 tick. So yes, you can go long at 103.88, absolutely. It's not necessarily a strong structural point, but it is the long point. Bruce, 99.88 is on the weekly. It's the momentum low. It's the momentum low on a weekly chart. So the 103.88 is the long point. $99.88. Look, it's from here. It's all the way back in 2001. Bruce, okay. So long point 103.88. If you're going long here, look, it's a 2-day low here. You're gonna have your stop the other side of that, which is 118.83. 103.60. Sorry, looking at the pound yen. 103.60. Now, the short point on this euro yen, I've been quite aggressive on this and using this effectively, this extended gift line again, because reason I've got that short there is a break of this gift, and we would be holding below the 103.88, below the 2-day low, and obviously the directional bias is down. Okay, Bruce. What we'd be doing, okay, is coming back below these highs made in these 3 sessions here and breaking this extended gift below the 103.88, below the 2-day low. So I've just been a little bit more aggressive on this euro yen to the short side. Up to you if you take that. I mean, in a market like this, it's pretty volatile. It could get to the 1-day low pretty quickly. Just that, you know, this could, you know, it could be a decent enough trade just getting to the 1-day low. But there's always a safer option, and that would be the 1-day low. If you're going to go short here at the 103.10, okay, your stop is 103.50, okay, which is above these, back above these highs. Now, obviously, you know, using the software, you're going to get the information. You're going to get additional information with the opening ranges that you know, may coincide. Will just help you with further planning on that entry. But that is quite an aggressive entry. Okay, so it's seeming quite right. 103.88 is perfectly good long point.